Have you ever pondered the existence of extraterrestrial life? Perhaps there are other beings in space waiting to say hello. The idea is both exhilarating and a tad terrifying, isn't it? Yet the puzzling silence from our fellow galactic inhabitants has us scratching our heads. We might be alone, or the cosmos might be a forest teeming with life, all too afraid and hidden from each other. Physicist Enrico Fermi posed a question. Where is everybody? After all, the likelihood of life beyond Earth seems pretty high, yet we haven't found anyone out there, not a single hello. This conundrum, known as the Fermi paradox, presents a stark contradiction. The high estimates of potential extraterrestrial civilizations do not align with our lack of evidence or contact. So, where is everybody? Perhaps the universe is like a dark forest full of civilizations hiding from each other. This is the dark forest theory. This intriguing concept is presented in Liu Cixin's science fiction novel, The Three-Body Problem. Let's delve into the dark forest theory. It proposes that the universe is akin to a dark, dense forest. Each civilization is like a hunter hiding quietly, fearful of revealing its location. Why? Well, the theory suggests that all civilizations fear the existence of others. They're scared because they don't know the intentions and capabilities of these unknown entities. It's a bit like a game of hide and seek, but with potentially catastrophic consequences. The theory also highlights the potential dangers of revealing our existence to other civilizations. Imagine being in a forest, unsure of what lurks in the shadows. You'd be wary of making noise, right? The same logic applies to the universe. Make too much noise, and you might attract unwanted attention. And in the vast expanse of space, that attention may not be friendly. Now let's consider the implications of this theory. What if we, as a civilization, have already made our presence known? Our broadcasts, our signals, have been leaking into space for over a century. If there are civilizations out there listening, they might already know we're here. And if the dark forest theory holds, that could be a dangerous situation. The theory suggests that a civilization would choose to strike first, rather than wait to be struck. It's a survival instinct. In the dark forest of the universe, it's kill or be killed. So revealing one's existence could invite a preemptive strike from a fearful or aggressive civilization. The dark forest theory is a sobering perspective on our place in the universe. It reminds us to tread lightly and to consider the potential consequences of our actions. After all, if the universe is a dark forest, we'd do well to navigate it carefully. Because, as the theory states, if you make your presence known, another might find you and eliminate you. The dark forest theory does not only offer an explanation to the Fermi paradox, but also raises some disturbing possibilities. It brings to light potential dangers that may lurk in the depths of the cosmos, especially the risks associated with contacting alien civilizations. Imagine the universe as an endless forest at night, where civilizations are like solitary campers. In this forest, every camper is cautious, afraid to reveal their location by lighting a fire, because they fear the unknown. They fear drawing attention to themselves and becoming targets of more advanced or hostile campers. The same principle applies to the cosmos, where every civilization, including ours, might be hiding in the dark, fearful of attracting unwanted attention. The dark forest theory also highlights the potential risks of interstellar conflict. As civilizations strive to grow and expand, their goals may clash, leading to competition for resources. This competition could escalate into conflict or even war, with civilizations employing advanced weaponry to secure their survival. Furthermore, the vast distances in space present significant challenges for both communication and conflict. For instance, a message sent to an alien civilization could take years, even centuries, to reach its destination. And by the time a reply is received, the sender might have already perished. The dark forest theory also suggests the existence of weapons capable of causing massive destruction, launched at near light speeds. Such weapons, if they exist, could wipe out entire civilizations before they even realize they're under attack. This chilling proposition further emphasizes the need for caution in our cosmic endeavors. All these implications of the dark forest theory underscore the importance of discretion. Perhaps we should remain silent in the face of potential threats from extraterrestrial beings. After all, in a universe that might be akin to a dark forest, silence could be our best defense. While the dark forest theory is indeed unsettling, we cannot affirm its validity with certainty. This theory, as dark and foreboding as it may seem, is still just that, a theory. It is a proposition, a possibility, a speculation, but it is not a proven fact. The universe in all its vastness and complexity remains a mystery. It is a dark forest, yes, but not necessarily one filled with lurking predators. Perhaps instead of a hostile wilderness, it's more akin to a grand cosmic ecosystem. An ecosystem filled with life forms that, like us, are trying to understand and navigate the cosmos. Perhaps there are civilizations out there that value peace and cooperation just as much as we do, and are waiting for the opportunity to establish meaningful, harmonious connections. But let's entertain another possibility. What if we are indeed alone in this universe? What if our tiny blue planet is the only cradle of life in this vast cosmic ocean? While this thought might seem lonely, even daunting, there is a certain comfort in our solitude. Our little light amongst the stars, our Earth, is a beacon of life, of hope, of potential. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, we might be small, but we are not insignificant. We should approach the idea of extraterrestrial life with both curiosity and caution. Curiosity, because the universe is a vast, unexplored frontier, filled with wonders and mysteries waiting to be discovered. Caution, because we must be mindful of our actions and their potential consequences. We must respect the universe and all that it may hold. Whether we are alone or not, we should always remain curious and cautious. We eagerly await the chance to meet other life forms in our galaxy, and we hope they are just as eager to meet us. We stand at the edge of the unknown, ready to venture into the cosmic wilderness, with the hope of not being the only travelers out there. So, to the universe we say, we're ready. Ready to explore, to learn, and to connect.